Hey guys, so today I thought to do a sort of a video where I just explain and talk to you guys for a bit while I'm baking, because I just thought that that would be an interesting video to do, and I love baking and I wanted to bake something and I wanted to share it with you guys. I hope that was not a weird thing to do, but yeah. So basically I'm thinking of making like these lemon cupcakes because I don't want to bake a cake because baking a cake is a lot more work and I'm just not in the mood to bake a cake. So just need to get everything on room temperature because that is really important, and I have the recipe right here, and I should actually close the fridge while I'm looking for the recipe. I just hope I have everything for it because yeah, that would otherwise be a huge fail if I don't have everything. So I'll be right back. So I got the flour. Now I need the sugar. I could have like read it like at the same time, and then I could have just gone in both of them at the same time, but nah. Got the sugar. And what I'm also doing is I'm adding lemon zest instead of vanilla extract, because I don't know, I just find that lemon gives it a nice fresh taste with all that sugar. This lemon is really weird. I don't know about you guys, but this lemon just looks extremely big, which to me doesn't seem normal. It's ginormous, and I'm just wondering why it's this big. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the baking because otherwise we're not gonna get anywhere. So you just want to measure. Why do I feel like this is becoming a cooking show right now? So you want to measure the sugar, which is the caster sugar, and it's 200 grams. But I always do a bit less because I don't like it when it's too sweet. And then what you want to do is you want to put that like already in the bowl, but I already put it in the bowl while I was measuring it. And then you want to measure the butter. And that is also 200 grams. So basically everything in this recipe is 200 grams. Everything should be at room temperature, of course. So that is 200 grams. And I don't need the knife anymore. Basically, now you just want to put the mixing bowl, back to its place if you have like a KitchenAid. And we don't need we still need this. You just want to get like another smaller bowl. And you would want to measure 200 grams of flour, and you just want to measure 200 grams. There we go. And clean it up because I hate leaving everything a mess, and I hate cleaning up everything at the last minute. Already like in the other in like another smaller bowl, and then you don't have to measure anything anymore, but you have to get like another smaller bowl and put all the eggs in there. If you're vegan and can't have eggs or butter, for eggs there's like this no egg substitute powder thing. I think it's like from the brand that I know, it's the No Organ brand, and they have a bunch of gluten-free, egg-free products, and it's just amazing because I used to be allergic to gluten, so I wasn't able to eat anything that contained wheat or gluten or anything like that. So then I always used those products, and I also had there was a while where I was allergic to eggs as well, so then I used that, and I'm still kind of sensitive to eggs because whenever I eat like an egg, it's just not my favorite meal. So you can do the substitute for the eggs, and I'm not exactly sure what you could do for the butter, but I'm not sure if you can do that, but you have like lactose-free butter, but that's maybe still not vegan, so I don't know. You've put like all the eggs into the bowl, you want to put that aside as well. Also, let me know down in the comments below if anyone actually also listens to music while they're baking or cooking or doing anything else, because I do that and it's really cool. So okay, basically now I think I'm going to mention what you have to do with each step before I do it, because I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear me above the music and above the machine that makes noise, of course. So basically what you want to do is you want to beat the butter and the sugar together until it's well combined, and just do that. And then after that you want to add one egg at a time until that is combined. So that's like the first step you should do, and I'll mention all the ingredients and all the steps you have to do down below as well. I should actually heat up the oven. So you want to put in the oven on like 170 degrees, and this is like Celsius. So once like the sugar and the butter is combined, what I normally do is I just check if everything is actually combined really well. Then I want to just mix it one more time, like it is like combined. So then I want to add the eggs. Once that is combined, you would want to add little by little the flour, until like it's combined as well. And then what I'm doing is I'm just grating some lemon. So I think I'm going to leave it at this. And then I just want to mix it a bit more so that all the lemon is combined through the batter. Who else loves eating the batter? I really feel like this has become a cooking show, cooking tutorial instead of me talking to you guys. But yeah, I'll start talking to you now. So basically, what I want to like mention also about my channel is that a bit like an explanation. So I'm making both Dutch and English videos because I'm half Dutch and I want to give like the Dutch audience a chance to like watch my videos as well. But that is basically a bit of an explanation of my channel with what I want to do. And I want to upload now on Saturdays or Sundays. Let me know which one you prefer, because I feel like on the weekend it's just better to do that than during the weekday. And also I'm thinking of uploading every week, and I hope I can do that when I'm in college as well, but I'm not sure how my schedule will be, if it will be too much or if I'm just going to be able to do it. So just wanted to let you guys know that I'm trying to upload every week, but that sometimes it can happen that I won't be able to upload. And I hope you won't blame me for that. So that's basically a short introduction. Well, not really an introduction, but like a short explanation about my channel, because you've probably noticed that I have done Dutch videos as well, and I just wanted to explain that, and I just wanted to explain the whole thing, like what I wanted to do. Okay, that one needs more batter. So basically I started my channel, to be honest, a long time ago. Well, not really a long time ago, but a while ago. So I think I was 14 at the time that I started my YouTube channel, but due to a couple of things I stopped and I deleted all of my videos on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I started, but then I deleted them all, and I didn't do it for a really long time until a year and a half ago, I think, where I was like, okay, you know what, I'm just going to restart this because I love videos, I love filming. I feel like this whole video will be like an epic fail, but we'll see how it goes once I edit this. Basically, the explanation behind my channel. Wow, this is like the worst explanation ever, so sorry about that.